Hi everyone, my name is Alex Wolf, and welcome to my course on rebuilding web forms applications in MVC. ASP.NET Web Forms is an established and well-documented platform, but as it continues to age, many companies and developers continue to move to newer technologies. The MVC framework has emerged as a great alternative due to its strong support for modern design patterns. Rebuilding a web application in any framework requires understanding how that technology implements core web development concepts, so we'll be sure to cover important topics like how HTTP requests are routed and handled by these two frameworks. We will also learn how to work with forms and secure them with meaningful validation rules. Our application will also provide great features like strong support for AJAX. Along the way, we'll also discuss how to properly architect our application and structure it using manageable components. By the end of this course, you'll understand how to rebuild existing web forms projects in MVC and just feel comfortable starting new applications on a modern framework. If you're already familiar with MVC, you can also use this course to improve your understanding of legacy web forms applications. Before starting this course, you should be somewhat familiar with the ASP.NET platform and general web development concepts. Some knowledge of either web forms or MVC is also very helpful, depending on which framework you're trying to learn more of from this course. I'm really excited to move forward on this project, so let's get started right here on Pluralsight.